This is Honor View 20, and today I'll show how you can capture a screenshot on this device. So two immediately obvious methods are, or default methods should I say, are to simultaneously press and hold the volume down and power buttons, and as you can see the screenshot gets taken. Or you can also open the quick access or control panel, find the screenshot tile and simply tap on it. You can also enable the gestures for your screenshots to be even more, or should I say to be even more easy to be taken, whatever. So go into settings, input the screenshot query to your settings search, then find the take screenshot in the accessibility, enable the smart screenshot, and now you can just knock on your screen using your knuckles like that, and the screenshot gets taken, as you can see. Or you can knock once and draw an area to take a partial screenshot of, said area like that. Final thing is where to look for those screenshots, and you can find them in your gallery. Let me set it up real quick. Gallery, albums, so those screenshots are getting saved to their separate screenshots folder here. So that will be more or less it for this video, so thanks for watching and bye bye.